All right, so these are basically basic stuff for our coffee. Let's try to unbox this one first. I've got this from, I think from eBay. This one is from Amazon, and this one is also from Amazon. So this one, I believe, is the froth tablet. Let's try to unbox this. So I've chosen the non-Breville branded cleaning tablet, which is the brand is Cafeto. So I'm not sure how it's pronounced well. It's relatively cheaper compared to the Breville ones, but if I'm not mistaken, those tabs from Breville are also made by Cafeto, so it's the same brand. So might as well purchase directly from Cafeto, so it will be a lot cheaper. All right, so this is the alkaline milk frother cleaning tablet. So basically, this is used to clean the froth one. All right, so because as time goes by, there will be some milk residues. So to clean that well, we need an alkaline milk frother cleaning tablets. So this one, I guess, if I'm not mistaken, I got this for about 25 Australian dollars. It's 62 tablets in all. So yeah, that's it's relatively cheaper, much compared to the tabs from Breville itself. Right? Again, this is the Cafeto MFC tabs. So the blue one indicates it's for the milk frother. Okay, so I think it's color coded. The red one is for descaling, I think, or for flushing. But this one, the blue one, is for the milk frother. Okay, so let's unbox next this one. So I believe this is for descaling the coffee machine. Okay, so this one was packed very well. All right, so okay, so this is for descaling. So the green one, so this is the green one, so it was packed very well. So it came with this plastic bag. Right, so this one is the Cafeto liquid descaler. So this one is for 1 liter. So it's the descaling liquid descaler, and we also purchased this one. It's red color. This is 100 tablets. This one is used for flushing. Okay, so for back flushing, we use this Cafeto S15. So apparently, this, I'm not sure if it's there's a code, but this one is marked as S15 espresso. This one is the espresso machine cleaning tablets. So this one is 100 tablets. So yeah, I'll be able to use this for maybe more than a year because it's 100 tablets, and this one is 62 tablets in all. And I'm not sure what's on the box, but yeah, it's just a receipt. So yeah, basically this would complete all the cleaning materials that is required to clean well our Breville machine Barista Pro. Okay, so this is for Cafeto S15 espresso machine cleaning tablets, 100 tablets in all. This one is the MFC Tabs Blue for the milk frother, and this one is for descaling the machine. Okay, let's set this aside. And this one is for the coffee syrup. Got this from Amazon, relatively fast delivery. Okay, this is forgot about the brand, but this one is a lot cheaper compared to the other brand which I initially planned. So it's Monin brand. So it's basically a coffee syrup. It was packed very well. This is the glass. This is fragile. Okay. All right, so they certainly know how to pack their products very well. All right, so this is the Monin salted caramel. Okay, and yeah, this is it's a coffee syrup, and we purchased basically it's a syrup pump for 70. It's suited to this glass. Okay, so there you go, guys. It's basically very simple stuff. We've got the Monin coffee syrup plus the pump, and we've got the cleaning tools, froth milk cleaning tablets, the S15 Cafeto espresso machine cleaning tablets, and its liquid descaler. So there you go, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you.